Attention is one of our most valuable commodities regarding success in work and study, and it's threatened by different factors. And we should really know that collectively the attention span on a personal level is diminished by roughly 1/3 since the year 2000. So what does that mean? In the year 2000, there were studies on how long people would be able to keep their attention span and focus on a project or on a task. And the same study was basically done, of course, with different people, 20 years later. And researchers discovered that the attention span actually shrunk by 1/3. Since attention is so precious and such a key ingredient to our success, we should ask 3 questions. We should try to understand what attention is, because there's a physiological side to it which we can't undercut. And that's important to understand. We can train many things, and we can basically counterbalance negative effects frequently by establishing good habits or just studying more, investing more time, more intensity, or whatever. But attention and the related ability to memorize facts and things, also to process information and develop a logical understanding of processes. There is a physiological side to it, which is very, very negatively affected by the way we treat our attention right at the moment. So the first thing is we have to understand the physiological side of it. Then we have to understand how an interrupted or diminished attention span affects the results we want to achieve, either while learning or understanding something. And thirdly, we have to understand, this is also again a physiological effect, that a working attention actually triggers off a different processing process in our brain in comparison to an interrupted or frequently interrupted attention span.